So I've just pressed the lava button and Rosie doesn't know, but it's going to go off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rosie, the floor is lava. I know.
Can I step on these?
Yeah, so you're going to have to use these mats and you need to get to the ladybug to turn it off.
What ladybug?
The one by your swing. How are you going to get there? You're going to follow the mats?
Yeah.
Go on then. You'll have to go up over the sofa. Yep, over the sofa.
Is there no lava on the sofa?
No, as long as you stay off the floor, you'll be fine.
I'm going to make it.
Oh.
This is a big one.
Oh.
I didn't burn.
No, I think you're supposed to go over the sofa. Oh, there you go. Right, stop. Right, so where you got to get to?
That one.
So you got to get over there. Okay, okay.
I'm safe. I'm safe.
Yep.
I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm safe.
Yeah.
I'm safe.
Turn the lava off, turn the lava off. Yeah.
Again.
High five.
Again.
Woo!
Again.
We'll have to wait until the lava goes off again. But for now,
Yes.
we're safe.